The closed loop, an infinite cycle of production, utilization, and collection. Produce it, use it, collect it, repeat and repeat and repeat. Since 1963, Safety-Kleen has created an industry around this simple concept. Collecting used industrial fluids and wastes, recycling them, and putting them back to work in an environmentally friendly way.
Our mission is to keep business in balance with the environment. Every year, we collect more than 200 million gallons of used motor oil and produce more than 100 million gallons of high-quality base and blended lubricating oils that don't come from imported crude.
Recycling is at the heart of North America's green movement, and Safety-Kleen recycles 80% of the liquid and solid industrial waste we collect each year.
In addition to being North America's largest recycler of used motor oil, Safety-Kleen is also the largest provider of industrial cleaning solutions. That means we provide and maintain parts washing equipment and recycled cleaning chemicals for more than 330,000 automotive, industrial, and commercial customers.
We also safely collect, transport, and recycle or provide for responsible disposal of a wide variety of hazardous and non-hazardous waste from businesses large and small in nearly every industry. When it comes to used motor oil, Safety-Kleen's process represents an infinitely better way. It actually takes 85% less energy to re-refine motor oil than to produce it from crude.
Re-refining motor oil results in 99.5% fewer heavy metal emissions and 85% less greenhouse gases than using it as a fuel.
That helps keep North America green.
Since 1978, Safety-Kleen has collected more than 2 billion gallons of used oil and used it to produce approved passenger car engine oil, heavy-duty diesel engine oil, automatic transmission fluid, and railroad diesel engine oil. Our hydraulic oils meet the exacting particle specifications of all three American automakers. Our re-refining process also produces asphalt extender, re-refined industrial fuel, and ethylene glycol as byproducts. Our motor oil brands include EcoPower recycled motor oil, a consumer do-it-for-me and do-it-yourself green motor oil.
Safety-Kleen collects and recycles a wide variety of hydrocarbon fluids from businesses of all types. We collect used oil from retail outlets, large automotive service chains, dealerships, commercial fleets, and manufacturers, all across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico.
The used oil is transported by truck, tanker, rail car, and barge to one of Safety-Kleen's 2 re-refineries, either to our Bresla, Ontario facility established in 1978, or to our facility in East Chicago, Indiana, the largest re-refinery in the world. Safety and quality make the core of our operations, and both facilities meet ISO 9001 standards for quality management and ISO 14001 standards for an environmental management system. Virtually 100% of the used oil that comes into a Safety-Kleen re-refinery is recycled or reused. And what comes out goes through the same tests and meets exactly the same specifications as motor oil produced in traditional refineries that make oils from crude. All Safety-Kleen passenger car motor oils meet or exceed the American Petroleum Institute's standard for North American motor oil performance in gasoline engines. And all Safety-Kleen re-refined lubricants and automotive engine oils are guaranteed against defects in material or process workmanship and perform as intended when used in accordance with vehicle manufacturer specifications. Here's the way we do it. The re-refining process consists of 2 unit operations, distillation and hydrotreating. Distillation essentially involves boiling the oil at increasingly higher temperatures and lower pressures. This allows us to separate the oil by its boiling point. Lighter oils, such as fuels, boil first, while the heaviest material, such as asphalt extender, doesn't boil at all. Vaporized light oil, water, and ethylene glycol move from the dehydration unit to the light end's recovery tower, where they are further separated. The light oil is recycled and used to power our re-refinery, while ethylene glycol will eventually be used to make antifreeze. The wastewater is pre-treated in our wastewater treatment facility and then discharged to the local water treatment plant. The dehydrated oil then moves to the vacuum fuel stripper to produce fuel that is sold to industrial fuel burners. and then to the vacuum tower where the oil is separated from another recycled and finished product, asphalt extender. At this point, the vacuum distilled oil enters the hydrotreating unit. This high-temperature, high-pressure catalytic hydrotreating process allows hydrogen to not only react with the oil to give it its final chemical properties, but also combine with the remaining contaminants in the oil for further purification processes. The next step is to remove the hydrogen and contaminants from the oil in the high-pressure separator. After passing through the steam stripper, final oil separation occurs in the lube fractionation tower. This tower separates the oil into 3 different oil grades: light viscosity lubricants suitable for general lubricant applications, medium viscosity lubricants for automotive and industrial applications, and high viscosity lubricants for heavy-duty applications such as diesel oil. The final step is to blend additives into these 3 grades of base oil to produce products with the right detergent and anti-friction qualities. Each product is then tested again for quality and purity before being released for sale to the public.
The Safety-Kleen re-refining process not only produces products indistinguishable from those made by conventional refining, we do it with 300,000 less metric tons in greenhouse gas emissions per year.
That's equivalent to taking 200,000 cars off the road every year. The development of responsible, sustainable, eco-friendly products and services makes Safety-Kleen a leader in North America's green movement.
Through our unique closed-loop process, Safety-Kleen is producing responsible, renewable oil products in an infinitely better way, giving North America a cleaner environment.
This is how we keep business in balance with the environment. This is how we make a better world today and for generations to come. This is how Safety-Kleen helps North America make green work.